Ah, shit. Didn't even know this had a light on it. That is the injustice. God damn, that is hella fucking tape on the middle of this shit. And the big reveal. Or the minor reveal. Good lord. We got the game. Ow. Ah, wired control. Excellent. And you got the fight stick. You got the fight stick. Damn. That right there. That's what it's all about. Freaking Joker. Oh, this shit is hella light. Damn. Let's get a good look at that. Injustice for the PlayStation. 'Cause we are nerding out. And yeah, 2 minutes and 20 seconds.